Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access your school files from home. It's incredibly convenient to work on assignments or review materials from anywhere, whether you're at your desk or on the go. We'll cover the essential tools and steps to ensure you can seamlessly connect to your academic resources, making your learning experience more flexible and efficient. Get ready to unlock your school's digital library right from your personal device. Many schools offer several fantastic ways to get to your files remotely. Often, you'll use a secure virtual private network, or VPN, to connect directly to the school's network. Cloud-based platforms like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive are also very popular for storing and sharing documents. Additionally, your school might have a dedicated online portal where all your resources are neatly organized and easily accessible. We'll explore these options to find what works best for you. To get started, you'll typically need your school login credentials, so make sure you have your username and password handy. Always use strong, unique passwords and consider enabling two-factor authentication for extra security. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to check your school's IT support website or contact their help desk. They are there to assist you with any technical difficulties, ensuring a smooth and secure connection to your files. It's simpler than you might think. Accessing your school files from home offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to work on projects and collaborate with classmates at your own pace. This means you can stay productive and organized, no matter where you are. If you ever run into a snag or have questions about specific software, remember that your school's IT department is your best resource. They can provide personalized support and guidance to ensure you have a successful and stress-free remote learning experience. Happy studying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.